Good morning, good morning, good morning, Facebook, YouTube. What is up, guys? Today is March the 7th. I'm on my first and only job of today. Today, what I'm going to be doing is some hardwood floor wax removal. We have some solid oak hardwood floors. Customer was using, I think, orange glow on the floors. And as you can see, I've already applied the first application of the wax remover to it. Now I'm going to use my dirt dragon to extract it off. And these floors, I'm going to buff them out with a white pad instead of putting down a urethane. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Always get permission from the customer before recording. So I'm going to do this foyer area. I came out, I think it was Monday or Tuesday, and gave them an estimate, and I'm here today doing the job. I'm also going to be doing over here in the kitchen, and I'm also going to be cleaning the carpets as well. I'm going to clean 4 rooms of carpets. So I'll show you guys all here in the kitchen. Nice floors, by the way. These are solid oak hardwood floors. These floors are hard. And what was funny, when I was prepping up for this job, another lady called me from Atlanta, the same situation, found me on Google, and I'm going to be going out next Wednesday and giving her an estimate on her floors. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and get started, show you guys the difference as I'm removing the wax from the floors. And, yep, get started. All right, guys, I'm about to strip the kitchen area. And I'll show you guys how good these floors came out back to its original state. But like I said, once I do the kitchen, I'm then going to come back with the 175 buffing machine and then a white pad and buff out these floors. But you can see all the wax was successfully removed from this floor. And then show you over here. Now, another thing about this kind of job too, you want to make sure you have slip resistant shoes. As you can see, and see that white film? That's the wax that's breaking down. So basically the product that I use, it re-liquefies the wax, let it dwell for about 5 or 10 minutes. And then what I'm going to do now is extract. All right, guys, just kind of show you a difference of a board that is where I remove the wax, and then you see right there, see all that wax on the floor, see how it's breaking up, especially around here. And that's what it does too. It leaves like a white, milky look, like a residue to it, and that's basically the wax trying to break down, which is what it's doing. So you can see that one part that I cleaned and removed the wax, and this part I haven't. All right, guys, so I'm done with the stripping, and what I want to show you guys, especially with the angle that I'm pointing the camera, if you see the difference back here, see how the floors look nice and shiny. This is the original shine. Again, I'm not putting down any products on the floors. What I'm doing is just using the white pad on my 175 buffer and buffing it out. So you can see the difference right there where I stop, and then right here how it still looks dull. So this is a process that I use and I do after removing or even cleaning hardwood floors. If we're not going to put down any kind of urethane, we just buff it out, because unfortunately these floors cannot take a urethane, so you can't put it on there. So just to show you guys the difference, you see right here. All right, guys, so you can see where I buffed out these floors as well in the foyer and the part that I haven't. See right there? Right there. All right, guys, that is going to do it. One job today. All I needed. Client's very happy. Also did some carpet cleaning, as you guys can see in the video. But the floors came out great. The carpets came out great. And what do you think, Mr. John? You happy with the services?
Yes.
Thank you. And John, how did you hear about me again?
Google.
Google, perfect. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do it. Wrap up. I think John is ready for me to get out of his house. When I've been here, I got here about 11. So almost 11, about 5 hours.
5 hours, yeah.
Just cleaning up behind myself. All right, guys, see you in the next one.